Hey you guys, I finally got my hands on a Kinkistry U-part wig, so let's get into what's in the box. And it says no curl left behind. So it came with the new and improved Kurlgenics 2.0 card. It also came with care instructions as well as an accessory. Now let's get into the wig. This is the Kurlgenics 12-inch U-part wig, and let me tell you, the density of this wig, the thickness of this wig had me so excited. You are definitely getting your money's worth. It does have 6 combs total. It has 4 on the sides, 1 in the back, and then 1 at the bottom. It also comes with adjustable straps and an elastic band. Now these are what the curls look like after it's freshly co-washed. And she is definitely ready to go ahead and be styled. I did go ahead and use a leave-in conditioner for curls. I then went ahead and used a paddle brush, started at the ends of the hair, and then worked my way up to the top before I detangled the whole wig. I then went ahead and I applied the gel to the hair. I made sure to shingle the hair, and I also shook it to make sure each curl was formed. And then after that, I then went ahead and let this dry for a day and a half. Like I said, the density does make it dry slower. And then the next day, I went ahead and used my scissors to cut the bands in the middle. And now it's time to go ahead and apply her on my head. Now, after taking my bonnet off, I did section my hair. I had hair out on the sides to blend into the wig, as well as the sections in the middle. That's going to be my middle part. Now, I wanted to ensure that this was secure on my head, so I did go ahead and use the elastic band, and then went ahead and pulled out my hair before I go ahead and attach the combs to my hair. I also used water and gel to go ahead and blend my hair seamlessly with this wig. I did apply the water first, and then I went ahead and applied the gel. I did go ahead and take my time. I shingled it just like I did the wig to make sure that it would definitely incorporate into the wig. Now, my hair does sometimes take a little bit longer for the curls to form, but you'll see in the end that it is definitely going to blend seamlessly with the wig. Now I'm pretty much all done, and I'm going to go ahead and style this a little bit more. Now off camera, I went ahead and slicked the front of my hair down, and then I just left the leave out at the top of my hair. And y'all can't tell me this is not my hair. She is blending beautifully, perfectly. I was a little bit concerned because my own hair is a little bit darker than the wig, but once I slicked down the front and I blended the top in between the strands of the wig, like I said, perfection. I really can't wait to show you all some other styles with this U-part wig. Definitely check out Kinkistry. I'll have my link below and my discount code so you can go ahead and save. Definitely check it out.